Hi, it's Kurt, Walco Seed Cleaning. I quite often get asked what or where I should save seed from out of the paddock. So retained seed is one of the big things that farmers do in Australia. The actual saving seed from your paddock, because essentially you've got to remember where all your money is going to come from. There's really three key elements to having the best seed, and obviously that's going to lead on to the best crop that you've got for the season. So three things. One is the water, which comes from the sky. There's not a lot we can do to control that one, so we'll basically eliminate that one. The soil is your other big key ingredient. You obviously want good soil, otherwise no point in planting seeds in the desert. Not that we can do that just yet, but I guess it'll come one day. So that's your key ingredient, look after that one. But the pretty simple, easy one to look at is where you get your seed from. Now, obviously you just got to look in the paddock where your healthy plants have actually been growing. The ones with less disease problems, away from the edges of your paddock, because we all know that the trees and all of that, and also you get crops from next door neighbour, you're more likely you're going to get weed seeds coming through, plus also different varieties. Things will get blown across the paddock during the season. So if you can keep well inside your boundaries of your paddocks to get your seed from, that's even better. So you just got to look at the seed as well when you're walking your paddocks before you harvest. Generally, the biggest, the plumpest the seed that you've got, the better that's going to end up being. So the bigger the seed, the more energy it's going to have, more vigor it's going to end up doing or getting. And then that's obviously going to improve your yield for the year after. So a few little tips there. I've also got another video which I'll include a link to, which sort of goes through a bit more elaborate on the benefits and where you get your seed from and what you should and shouldn't be doing. So feel free, click the link and check it out. And if you've got any more questions, just ask away on Twitter, Facebook, or the phone call. More than happy to help out whenever we can. Thanks very much, and have a good year.